Starting around 02 September 2023, especially smooth love mixture certainly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, SLP generally has an all-out market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. This by and large makes especially smooth love elixir, SLP, positioning at 315 in the cryptographic money market, which really is very critical. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the exceptionally smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023. What will kind of smooth cherish elixir all things considered be fundamentally worth in 2023? Is especially smooth love elixir a wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023? Which explicitly is genuinely critical. Will SLP cost explicitly outperform its untouched high in an essentially significant manner? These fundamentally are our especially smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the truly smooth love elixir gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The SLP cost by and large is supposed to explicitly cross a for the most part normal value level of $0.002, the normal for the most part least value worth of kind of smooth love mixture, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to be $0.002. Or so they in a real sense thought. Besides, SLP can truly arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.002, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. SLP value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of truly smooth love elixir especially is determined to sort of be at around a very least worth of $0.002 in an extremely enormous manner. The truly smooth love elixir value worth can by and large arrive at a sort of limit of $0.002, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars. Further appearance. How truly smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the sort of smooth love mixture figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost generally is supposed to sort of cross an essentially normal value level of $0.002, the normal truly least value worth of certainly smooth love elixir, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to for the most part be $0.002, which generally is very critical. SLP value conjecture September 2023. Concerning September 2023, exceptionally smooth love mixture truly is supposed to for the most part arrive at least value worth of $0.002, which is very critical. The SLP cost could for the most part arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.002, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.002 in an essentially huge manner. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for commonly smooth love elixir in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in a huge manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.002. Certainly further appearance how these basically are our exceptionally smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future, which in every practical sense is very critical. Smooth love mixture, SLP. Value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of fundamentally smooth love elixir generally is basically anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at a very normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.002 and an extremely least of $0.002, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for especially smooth love mixture in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, so especially smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the essentially smooth love elixir gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The SLP cost truly is supposed to generally cross a very normal value level of $0.002, the normal least value worth of fundamentally smooth love elixir, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to for the most part be $0.002 in an essentially large manner, while the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love elixir especially past value examination and the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been generally diminished by 1.57% in its really current worth and in every practical sense, significant way. Assuming we in every practical sense analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap truly is likewise down, showing how assuming we generally think about the essentially current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap truly is additionally down, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture sort of is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, exhibiting that while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.002, certainly further appearance how these by and large are our kind of smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future incredibly. The SLP in a real sense is down to nearly 5.41% in the truly most recent 7 days, showing how SLP truly has a very all-out market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, which certainly is genuinely huge. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every practical sense. Past lovely few days, the coin could sort of have most areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't by and large figure that it would a beneficial resource in momentary in a genuinely significant manner. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP explicitly diminished by 48.160%, disposing of an astounding genuinely normal amount of $0.001 from its especially current worth incredibly. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a kind of goodbye and large purchase and open door for extremely speedy interest in a kind of significant manner. The 90 days cost change is near 47.33%. And the cost certainly circled from a sort of least especially normal cost of $0.003 to by in large greatest truly normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, for the most part further appearance. How SLP value estimate August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of most certainly smooth love mixture generally is gauged to be at around a kind of